Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Bear Archery Cruzer G2/G3 Compound Bow Package. Bear Archery is known for durable and reliable bows, and the Cruzer G2 and G3 are no exceptions. Lightweight and sturdy, weighing around 3 pounds, the bow is easy to handle without sacrificing strength. Precision. Machined aluminum riser provides stability and durability while keeping the bow lightweight. Smooth dual cam system ensures a fluid draw cycle and reduces hand shock. Comfortable grip helps with better control and accuracy. Wide adjustability. The draw length and weight can be adjusted without a bow press, making it perfect for growing archers. The G3 model builds upon the G2, offering improved tuning capabilities and an upgraded grip. Both models share the same high-quality build and materials. The Cruzer G2/G3 package. Our second best compound bow is Sanlida Archery Dragon X8 RTH Compound Bow Package. If you're looking for a powerful, accurate, and affordable compound bow that can grow with you, the Dragon X8 is an excellent pick. No bow press needed. Easily adjust draw length, 18 inches to 31 inches, and draw weight, 0 to 70 pounds. Lightweight and comfortable to hold. Great for extended practice sessions or long hunting trips. Beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for pros. Offers a wide range of adjustments, making it suitable for archers of all experience levels. The Sanlida Dragon X8 is one of the easiest compound bows to adjust, making it a great long-term option for growing archers. The smooth cam system makes drawing the bow easier, even at higher poundage. The 310 FPS maximum speed is ideal for hunting and target shooting, though it is slightly lower than some premium models. With a 70-pound max draw weight, the Dragon X8 is capable of taking down large game, making it a great hunting bow. The let-off is around 70 to 80%, meaning you hold less weight at full draw, allowing for better aiming and steadiness. It delivers a smooth, controlled draw cycle and consistent arrow flight, making it forgiving for beginners, yet precise enough for advanced users. For those looking for a bow that is easy to shoot and accurate, the Dragon X8 is a strong performer in its price range. Third in our list is Genesis Original Bow. The Genesis Original Bow does not come with a full accessory package, but it does include a pre-installed knock point and an adjustable draw weight screw for easy customization. For those who need additional accessories like an arrow rest, sight, or release aid, Genesis offers bundled kits, or you can purchase add-ons separately. One of its standout features is the single cam system, which eliminates issues like tuning problems and uneven string wear. This means a consistent, accurate, and maintenance-friendly shooting experience. Additionally, with universal draw length and no specific let-off, this bow allows for multiple users of different sizes to shoot comfortably without needing adjustments. Lightweight and durable. The Genesis Original weighs just 3.5 pounds, making it easy to handle for kids, teens, and adults alike. Machined aluminum riser and cams. Offers durability and strength while keeping the bow lightweight. Number 4 in our best compound bow list is Youth Compound Bow Set. One of the first things you'll notice about the WX Listy Youth Compound Bow is its sleek and modern design. It's constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring that the bow is both lightweight and durable. The riser is made from strong, sturdy aluminum alloy, while the limbs are designed for optimal flexibility, offering smooth shots with minimal recoil. At 3.5 pounds, it's light enough for teens and smaller adults to handle, but sturdy enough for long-term use. In terms of performance, the WX Listy Youth Compound Bow does not disappoint. The bow offers a maximum speed of 260 feet per second, which is more than sufficient for target shooting or light hunting. While it may not compete with higher-end bows designed for serious hunters or professional competitions, this speed is great for a beginner to intermediate-level archer. The smooth draw cycle and low vibration make for a comfortable shooting experience, which is especially important for new archers who are still working on proper form. The string and cams work seamlessly together, making it easier to shoot accurately and maintain good technique, even for younger or less experienced users. Adjustable 5-pin sight. The 5-pin sight ensures a clear and precise aiming point. Our last pick is PANDARUS Compound Bow Package. One of the standout features of the PANDARUS Compound Bow Package is its lightweight design. Weighing just a few pounds, this bow is incredibly easy to handle and maneuver, making it ideal for both teens and adults. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned archer, the bow feels comfortable in hand, and its ergonomic design ensures a stable grip, minimizing fatigue during longer shooting sessions. The limbs are made in the USA, showcasing the attention to quality and durability that has gone into its construction. The materials used are robust and designed to withstand prolonged use, while the composite structure ensures the bow remains lightweight without sacrificing strength or performance. The bow's sleek design also makes it an aesthetically appealing choice, with modern lines and a clean finish that makes it stand out from other bows in the market. These accessories make the PANDARUS Compound Bow a comprehensive package, so you don't have to worry about purchasing extras separately. Everything you need to start practicing archery or hunting is right in the box. The included sight is designed to provide clear and easy aiming, improving accuracy for both short and long-range shots. It's simple to adjust, so archers can easily fine-tune the sight to their liking. The bow comes equipped with a high-quality bowstring that is durable and long-lasting, reducing the need for frequent replacements.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!